Welcome to the Madeira, where luxuries meets convenience in the heart of Singapore. Step inside this exquisite 3-bedroom condo and experience the perfect blend of comfort and style. The spacious living and dining hall provides ample room for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with your loved ones. The 3 functional bedrooms offer plenty of space for your family to grow and thrive. Plus, the bomb shelter doubles as a storage room, keeping your living space clutter-free and organized. Enjoy resort-style living right at your doorstep with the Madeira's top-notch amenities, including a tennis court, swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, and BBQ area. Located just a short walk away from Bukit Gombak MRT station, Xiao Guilin, and a host of HDB coffee shops and eateries, the Madeira offers convenience like no other. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to own a piece of luxury at the Madeira. Live the life you deserve at the Madeira. Contact me, Cindy Low, at 9272-4803 or WeChat Cindy Low KH. I'm from OrangeTee AAG.